ready. In the line.
Coming off now, 16 Cruiser. Stone getting out in a hurry. Got Rambler on the inside. Gainsford in that third slot. Stone, Rambler, Gainsford, Lee coming out of the backside. John Stone on the gas. Here comes Gainsford. Stone, Gainsford, Rambler. Look out, Alligator. Out of the backside turn. Here we go. Stone, Gainsford, Rambler. Stone, Gainsford, Rambler. Last turn coming up. Whoa, dropped my pop. Got too excited. Gainsford wins the battle of the turn. Coming back this way. Gainsford gonna pick up the one. Stone gonna get the two. Oh, I don't know. Brent might have picked up the three on that. All right, 7-year-old intermediates. Here we go. Moto number 7. Doing it with expert points. We got the 7-year-old of Johnny Danger, the 6-year-old of Chris Huntington, and the 5-year-old of Jim and Jeff Andrew.
Okay, ready. Ready on the line. What's right?
Okay, coming down. Everybody out and moving. Here we go. Huntington out in front. Danger in the second slot. Jeff in third. Going back the other way into the first turn, it is still Huntington out in front, the 6-year-old expert, the pit bull in the second slot, Jim and Jeff in the third. Up and over the tabletop, we're going. Here we go. Huntington, ripped. Whoa! Look out, the Alligator got another one. Didn't quite get all the way, though, just got the bite. Going the other way, it's going to be Huntington, going to pick up the one this time around. Jim and Jeff going to get the two this time around. Boy, Johnny Danger says he almost got me, Dad. I felt him. He grabbed the wheel of my bike, tried to pull me into the water. Just about got me, but I got away. I was too quick for him. Good time. Here we go. Everybody looking around. Penny out in front right now. Peterson and Stone. Stone and Peterson in that order. It is Penny, Stone, Peterson, 1, 2, and 3. Out of the backside turn. Penny out in front right now. Stone in that second slot. Peterson in the third slot. Into the tabletop and the Alligator pit. Coming back out this way. It is still Bjorn Penny out in front. Stone in that second slot. And Willie Peterson in that third slot. Headed for the finish line. Bjorn Penny going to pick up the one this time around. Stone going to pick up the two. Peterson going to get the 3. 12-year-old novice is now Brian the Crowd. Fuel, Scott, and Dawson. 14-year-old expert racing action now. We've got Lee Gainsford, Zachary, talent, and talent. One could say we had a lot of talent in this moto.
Oh, Joe.
Restart on that one. Restart on that one, guys.
Okay, ready. Ready on the line. What's right?
In that second slot, it's Gainsford and Lee 1 and 2. Gainsford, Lee, talent. Zachary and talent coming back out of the backside. It's Gainsford and Lee 1 and 2. Gainsford, Lee. Gainsford and Lee. Got Dewey talent in that third slot. Zachary made a move, moves into the third slot now. It's Dewey and Tony in fourth and fifth coming out of the last turn. It's still Gainsford. Gainsford out in front. Brent Lee in that second slot. Jason Zachary. Dewey and Tony down.
Okay, ready. The line. What's right?
Who's it gonna be? Got the 9 by trying to squeeze into the turn. Whoa, got the 39 taking over the lead. I must have turned one too many pages here because these numbers don't correspond to what I got. Here we go. 39, yes, that's Flores out in front. Flores, Rambler, 1 and 2. Flores, Rambler, and Shively coming back out this way. Flores, Rambler, Shively. Everything up for grabs. Flores going to pick up the 1. Rambler going to get the 2.